Hello, I welcome you back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tricks that you can do to make your voice sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro. Right now, I have a video I'm working on. It is this one here. So I recorded it. It has there is some recorded voice on it. Let me just play it. As you can hear, I don't know how you can hear it like the way I hear it, but this voice is very low, and plus I have some noise. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to enhance this voice and also try to remove the noise in the background. Okay, let me just play it. Okay, now the first thing we can do here, I'm going to look for parametric equalizer, and you have to make sure that the video is selected. You drag it and put it under below of all of these other settings. Now this what you do, you click on edit, you change from default to vocal enhancer. Okay, that is one. Now the second one, the second thing you can do, you look for single band compressor and drag it, put it here. You click on edit and click on voice enhancer. As you can hear, the sound has been, like the voice has been raised. Now it is sounding a little bit louder. And what this single band compressor, what it has done, it has raised the low sounds, like low channels, like where you have the low voice or low sound in your voice. It has raised it. And where you have your the higher voice, the voice which is louder, it has lowered it down to sound better. From your desktop. Now to do that, it has increased the background noise, as you can hear. Okay, now what we're going to do, we close this one. We'll look for a effect called denoise. Okay, we drag it and put it down here. Okay, let me just be playing it, then we are going to edit it. Okay, let me first edit it. We change it to default to heavy noise reduction. If I play it, the background noise has been removed. Now, in order to prevent you like sounding like as if you are in the bottle, what we need to do, we have to cut it down to 50%. Okay, we have dragged it from 80 to 50%. That is better. Let me play the video without the effect. To do that, you click here, then this the mute icon will come. Okay, you hear that there is noise. If I turn this one on, there's no noise. Okay, we close this. So that's it. I hope you know how to export. From here you export your video, or you can add some other edits. That was today's video. Today's video was about how to enhance your voice and make it sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit a notification button. In case I upload new videos, you'll be able to find them. Thank you. Bye bye.